Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. As you can see that gold is trading at a level of $26.17 and a clear U pattern, opposite U pattern is forming. Okay, which is at a level of 2602. If you look at this particular trend, suppose if the price fall below this particular level of 2602, then it can bounce back and then it will fall further down. Okay, because if you look at these two similar patterns are forming. Okay, so you have to understand 2602 is a level, 2602 is a level, that if the price started falling below this level we can see a further downfall. Okay, now the price is above this level, so probability is high if the price keep moving out this level, a level of around 2623, we can see there will be an upside. Okay, as we can see there is a continuous upside and a range breakout has happened, that is where we have seen higher and higher level in the gold. Okay, and chances can be high that if the price started going above a level of 2788, which is very close to its all-time high, we can see there will be a further upside and a new high can be made. Okay, so keep trailing your SL by $5 or $10 when the price comes close to this level, so that you can capture a big movement towards an upside. 2791 is an all-time high. Okay, so if the price started going above 2788, we can see there will be a further upside. Okay, a U pattern is forming. If you look at this U pattern, okay, that there's a new high we have seen. Okay, and the level of around, if you look at this particular range, there is a high. Okay, so when there is a close high in this particular range, the resistance which we have seen is already being tested, so that is where the price has moved up and now it is in another zone. So when the price started going above level of 2670, we can see there is a chances that it can touch a level of $27.17 and then to a level of $27.23. Once the price sustain above 27.23, probability will be high, it can move further upside. Okay, so before I move ahead, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglove@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, now let's see how the dollar index is moving. See, the dollar index now trading at a level of $108.13, and there is a clear upside movement which I have already explained you in my previous videos. Okay, when the price started sustaining over level of 102 only, I have told you that there is a chances that it can move further upside. Now the price is above a level of 108, so if it touches again a 108 level, we can see there will be a bounce back. Then we can see it can go towards 108.2 and then to a level of 108.5, and then it can move towards a level of 109 and the further upside. But if the price started falling below 108.2, okay, $108, we can see a level of $106.5, and from there a further fall towards 106.2. Okay, now if the price understand, if it started sustaining over 108.5, we can see a level of 1010 also after crossing 109. But if started falling below 108, we can see a level of 107.5 to a level of $106.6, then to a level of $106.2. Okay, and you have to understand something, that when the dollar index started going down, we will see the gold price will go up. Similarly, if the dollar index started going upside, we can see the gold price will go down. This is what we have seen. Okay, because see, when the dollar index started going upside, probability of going gold will go down. Similarly, if the dollar index started going down, we can see the gold price will go up. Okay, now coming back, if we come back on the price of gold, what we can see, if you look at the chart of gold, I have already explained you that there is a pattern where shows that there is an upside probability. So if the price sustain this level, chances will be high that if the price moving above a level of $26.28, now it is at a level of 26.18, we can see a level of 26.28, and once the price move above this level, we can see level of 26.35. Okay, if the price moving over that particular level, chance of touching level of 26.53 will be there, and this level is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high the price will go above that level and a probability of touching 26.64 will be there. 26.64 will be there. Okay, and then to a level of 26.77. Okay, once the price moving above that particular level, chance of touching a level of 26.93 will be there. So you have to understand that once the price started sustaining over 26.77, chance of crossing level of 26.83 will be there, and then to a level of 26.93, and once started going up this level, probability of touching a level of 2700, and then it can touch a level of 2710 to a level of 2728. Okay, because there will be a further upside, so chances will be high it can go further upside. So you have to understand, once the price started going over 27.28, chance of touching 27.35 will be there, and then a further upside movement we can see. And if that sustain, a further high towards 27.52 also, and then a further high. Okay, but understand, if you trail by around $5 or $10, then there is a probability you can capture a big movement towards an upside. Okay, so when the price started sustaining about 27.23, try to trail by around $5 or $7 so that you can capture a big movement towards an upside. But if the price started falling below 2016.18, we can see a level of 26.08, and then it can touch a level of $25.92. Okay, and once started falling below this level, probability of crossing 25.85 will be there, and then it can move towards a level of $25.74. The best what you can do is trail your SL by around $3 to $5 so that you can capture a big movement towards an for downfall as well an upside. So if it started falling below 74, a probability of touching 25.64 we can see, then to a level of 25.54. Okay, and then when the price started falling below this level, we can see a level of 25.46, and if that didn't sustain, we can see there will be a zone breakout, so chances of touching 25.36 will be there. And if the price started falling below 25.36, a probability of touching 25.29 will be there. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail